Welcome back to my channel. Excited to jump into HomeSense, and we're also going to do Marshalls at the end, so stay tuned for that as well for some new finds for Christmas 2025. Lots of great dupes, Pottery Barn, Anthropologie, and all of those trending looks for Ralph Lauren vibes and that classic Christmas, woodland Christmas, all of the vibes that we are hoping for this season. So let's jump into it. If you are going for those viral teddy bears, they had lots of options at HomeSense today. Beautiful ornaments, classic colors, classic Christmas gold, red, deep greens, lots of burgundies, beautiful little nutcrackers that I was loving for ornaments this year, and some fun ones as well for some kid trees. I always love to do kid decor as well for the rooms. Loving the snow globe options here today. Some beautiful large scale pieces. So many great things at HomeSense and for great prices too. If you are looking for large brass bells, gingerbread houses, villages, they've got you covered at HomeSense. So many cute little gingerbread stuffies for kids' rooms and snow globes. So many great options for different parts of the home. I loved these little Santas with the plaid. Gorgeous villages here. I loved kind of the pink ones and the gingerbread houses for a girl's or a boy's room. Super cute, and some large scale nutcrackers that are really fun for the front porch. As always, stunning Martha Stewart stockings and so many cute little cookie jars and decorative pieces for the kitchen for servingware and hostingware. I love the gingerbread stuffs. The snowman mugs were so cute. And these bow plates are some of my faves, which I always see at HomeSense. Love those. And if you were a fan of the Grinch, they had a full set of dishes and servingware. And of course, they had such a huge selection on holiday mugs and holiday plates. I always love coming to HomeSense and seeing what they have. And of course, when hosting, I always like to look for things for my table to do a beautiful tablescape, like a nice runner or a nice tablecloth. I also love these baking sets, whether you're gifting them to a host or a gift for a family member or just for baking for your family this season. I love these little gift sets. They're so cute. So many great options here. The gingerbread ones are my favorite for sure, but they had so many great festive finds in this baking and cookware section. Love checking this aisle out at HomeSense. And of course, switching out some pillows, some throw blankets, just adding some fun holiday festive finds really can change the whole vibe of your room for Christmas or your living room. Just switching out a couple things can really make a huge difference and bring that Christmas charm to the home. I always love doing a Santa sack, and that little bear one was so sweet. So many great options for Santa sacks here at HomeSense, and lots of cute little ads for the table. Salt and pepper shakers galore, cute holiday mugs, butter containers, and tons of little festive plates and bowls. Some nostalgic Christmas finds as well. So many great options here at HomeSense today. I was loving all of it. And if you're into the Ralph Lauren Classic Christmas, this Ralph Lauren tablecloth was so stunning. Classic red, of course. So many great finds here today at HomeSense. How stunning was this cookware? The bow one was so beautiful, and the one with the little candied Christmas ones. So many great options in the bakeware section. Also, those viral gingerbread coffee mugs were here, the Santa mugs, so many great pieces. I love this reindeer one. The Santa one was super cute. So many great choices here today. And how cute were these little gingerbread house mugs? Loved those with the classic Santa plates and the bow plates. These were stunning. Loved the Ralph Lauren plaid. The gingerbread and the Nutcracker cookie jar was so cute. Loved the salt and pepper shakers. These plates were so beautiful and nostalgic. So many great Christmas finds here. Loved all of these holiday mugs, of course. HomeSense always brings the best at the holidays. Let's jump into Marshalls. I always love checking out Marshalls, especially for making my kids' rooms really magical for the holidays. I find that they really zero in on some fun stuff for the kids. So let's look into that. Let's jump in. Loved the selection on snow globes. I thought those were so magical. Their gingerbread houses and villages were beautiful. Stunning bow candle holders there. I loved those. I loved the mix of classic white and gold and silver for the trees and reindeers here. I just think those classic pieces really just stand the test of time and you cannot go wrong. So many great little stuffies here for the kids' rooms too that I loved. I loved their faux trees. I thought they were very realistic. They had beautiful bells, brass ones, and all colors, and lots of great pillow options as well. I always like to check on the greenery, but of course doesn't compete with HomeSense with the wreaths and garlands, but they did have some great options here as well. Great huge lumbar pillows. I love that one for kids' rooms, and how cute and magical are some of these pieces. Whether you're going for a gingerbread or a nutcracker theme, I just loved the options here at Marshalls. Love some of these stuffies, and they had beautiful scents. Loved the burgundy, deeper tones. I'm doing burgundy and bows this year, so I really loved those ones, but they had lots of great neutral options too. Great bedding, lots of plush, cozy throws and pillows, and great stuff for bathrooms and bedrooms. And of course, always hit up that checkout line. There's so many good finds. I always love to get my stocking stuffers there. Lots of great holiday cards and gift wraps, just sweet treats for hosting. And of course, some ornaments. I found some really cute ornaments in that aisle and little towels for the bathroom. So definitely don't overlook those checkout aisles. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Lots more Christmas content coming your way. Please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks so much for watching.